Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with Textbroker.com. Textbroker.com presents itself as a content marketplace, connecting writers with clients seeking various written materials. Their website emphasizes a streamlined process where clients submit project briefs, and writers within their system bid on the work. This platform appears to cater to a wide range of content needs, from blog posts and articles to product descriptions and website copy. They highlight a tiered system for writers, suggesting different levels of quality and experience, which theoretically allows clients to select writers based on their budget and specific project requirements. Textbroker.com also claims to offer various quality assurance measures, including plagiarism checks and editorial reviews, designed to ensure client satisfaction. Navigating the website appears relatively straightforward, with clear sections for client project submissions and writer applications. The site also provides resources and support documentation for both clients and writers, seemingly aiming to facilitate a smooth and efficient experience for all users. While the platform boasts a large network of writers, the actual quality and consistency of the work produced likely varies, as with any freelance platform. Potential clients should carefully consider their project needs and budget when evaluating whether Textbroker.com is the right fit for them. Writers, too, should carefully weigh the potential benefits and drawbacks of joining such a platform, taking into account factors like competition, pay rates, and the platform's fee structure. Further research and reading reviews from both clients and writers would be beneficial before making any decisions about utilizing this service. The platform's long-standing presence in the content creation market suggests a certain degree of established infrastructure and user base, but individual experiences can differ significantly. A crucial factor to consider is the potential for lower pay rates compared to working directly with clients, which is a common trade-off with content mill platforms. Ultimately, Textbroker.com offers a potential solution for businesses needing content and writers looking for work, but careful consideration and due diligence are essential before engaging with the platform.